today I'm going to be doing another product review, and this time I'm going to be reviewing the PAC lip pots. This is how the packaging looks like. This is how you get it when you order it online on Amazon or Flipkart. The price of the lip pot is 485 rupees. So it comes in a cardboard packaging like this. I have got the color Grown Up. Let me show you opening it, how it looks like. Inside it is a glass pot kind of a thing, or glass jar with a plastic cover. On the plastic cover you can see PAC written on it, and once you open the jar you can get the lip color inside. On the packaging you will notice that they have written lip brush free. I have lost my lip brush. They had given me a free lip brush but I have lost it, so I am using my own lip brush that I had with me. So that is how the packaging looks like. I got the color Grown Up, and there are 10 different colors, so there are 9 more colors in this series of lip pots. All of them are reds or pinks. So I just wanted to see how this lip pot feels like on my lips, so I bought only one, and it's a good product. It's a really good product, and there are 10, as I was saying, there are 10 other products that you can choose from. I would now want to see some browns. I really want to wear some really good brown color lipstick, so maybe they can come up with it now. Let's start with the pros. The first pro that I can say is that you're getting a lot of product for just 485 rupees. I mean, if you look at it, I have been using this for a month now and I have not even created a dent in this. So there's a lot of product to use for 485 rupees. That's definitely a pro. The second pro is how long lasting it is. I wear it in the morning at 8:30 and it is there on my lips till the lunchtime. So what happens is, during the day you will drink water, you will eat breakfast or you will eat lunch. So there is the outer coating of it will go away, but it will still leave a stain on your lips. And I think I like that in a lipstick also, or I like this about this lip pot, that it doesn't completely go away from your lips. It leaves a stain on your lips. Pro number 3. I really like how pigmented this is. Let me show you a swatch. I'm wearing the lip pot on my lips right now, but just one swipe on the product and this is the amount of pigmentation it has. It's amazingly opaque and it just requires application once on your lips and you get the color on your lip. Another pro that I saw, I have worn this product with a lip balm and without a lip balm. Without a lip balm it doesn't transfer, but with a lip balm it transfers very little amount. If you can see, extremely little amount. I mean, it's understandable that it is going to transfer because you're wearing a lip balm, so the lip balm will take the product with it and transfer on your hand. But if you are using it on its own, if you don't have dry lips and if you're using it on its own, it is not going to transfer. Believe me, I have tried it and it is amazing. You can kiss whoever you want. Now let's talk about the cons of this product. The first con that I can think about is it's a lip pot. I was expecting a lipstick from PAC, but when they released a lip color, they released lip pots. So what happens is, if you're traveling with a lip pot, you not only have to carry the pot, you also have to carry the lip brush. So that is one first con that I can think about. The second con is that it's extremely matte. It is both a pro and a con for this. Why? Because I am such a big fan of a matte lip product and this is definitely extremely matte. But the con is that if you have dry lips, I have extremely dry lips nowadays. I don't know why, maybe I forget to drink water, but because I have dry lips, this, when I wear it without any lip balm or anything, it really dries up on my lip and I can see like patches on my lips. So this is extremely matte. So if you have if you have dry lips, make sure first you use a lip balm and then you use this. It will also give you a moisturizing effect because the balm is going to moisturize your lips and this is going to give you the color. Another thing I will tell you here that I once wore this lip pot without any lip balm, and after a few hours it was so dry that it was started to get powdery. It became powder and it was falling off my lips like powder. So if you're using this lip pot, make sure you put a lip balm first and then use it. The last con that I don't know if it's a con, but I'm a lazy girl and I feel that now I have to wash a lip brush also. So that is another con. I don't know why PAC did not make a lipstick. I know why they did not, because if you notice the name is Professional Artist Cosmetics. That means they are looking out for more makeup artists to cater to and not individual. So as an individual makeup user, I am not a fan of I'm not a fan of a lip pot, because first of all it's a pot and then you have to wash the brush, you have to take care of the brush, and I have already lost the brush. This is another brush that I'm using. So that is one thing I think is the con for me, who is not a makeup artist. But if you're a makeup artist, then it's like a treasure for you. Obviously it is going to last you for so long. You can use it for so many different clients. You just have to wash your brush and you can use it on different clients. So that's it about the PAC lip pot review. So this is 485 rupees. You can get it on both Amazon and Flipkart. There are 10 different colors, 10 different reds and pinks you can choose from. If you're using this lip pot, make sure you use a lip balm if you have dry lips, otherwise you can use it directly. You get a free lip brush with this, so you don't have to worry about buying another lip brush, but you have to worry about taking care of the lip brush. Also, all in all, a very good product, very long lasting, very pigmented, and I was really impressed by how good quality this was based on how much they're taking from us. I mean, just 485 rupees for a good product is pretty nice. So if you like this review, please like my video and also comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will make more videos. Bye!